Hi, I would like to show you how to use Verimerce to get much more referrals and to manage your reviews. So come to your App Store or your Play Store, go there, search for Verimerce. This is Verimerce. I already have it installed, so I will just click on Open. Allow notifications so that you don't miss on important announcements and updates. So click on next, then click on begin. To sign up, you can use sign up with Google and you can use your name, email address, and a strong password. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my name, then a strong password. Then agree, then click on continue. So a token will be sent to my email address. I will use this to verify my email address. So let me fetch the token, then verify. Now I need to confirm my WhatsApp number. I need to add my WhatsApp number. So I will put my business number that people can reach me on. You don't need to start with zero. So when I click on request OTP, I'll be expecting a message to be sent to me on WhatsApp. So the notification should show up now. So 2593. So I have been able to add my email address and phone number, which is going to help with my network. Then I need to describe my brand. When I say network, I mean to tap into the friends and family of your contacts, of your clients, of your customers. You'll be able to reach and advertise to them. Those are your network. Now, for the sake, now as a vendor, you should add and describe what you do. What is the name of your business? What are you specialized into? Explain it so that when people search for you, or when people come across your profile, they'll be able to understand that this is actually what you do. So for this, I'm going to use Brooks, including men's wear. Men's wear. We sell. Yes. Yeah, let's Brooks IG. That's the IG. The first, leave this for now. Then I will click on done. So I am done. I can click on next. This is trying to tell you that if you click on this home page, on this home, you're going to see items that are meant for you. Click on next. Your marketers page. You need to add your contact so that you are able to request for referrals from your own contacts and they're able to drop you reviews to add to your credibility. You can search. This is where people are also going to discover you, and this is where you to discover other people. Then you can go to your profile to see the details you have entered and how to edit them, including your profile picture. You can also upload your items, the things that you are selling or the services that you offer. Then you are done. Now you see this blue something. It's trying to tell you the things that are left for you to do. So you should follow it through. So with this, you can click on the plus sign to upload. Let's use this. So do this. Then you can say looks good. Let's use that for our profile picture. So you have uploaded profile picture. You see that the instruction here has changed. It is asking you to post four more brand items. So we need to post four items more. So you are going to, so let's post four items. Upload from file. Let's, oh, I have uploaded, now I have uploaded all the items. It's not telling me something new now. Ask for reviews. So when I click on this, it will enable me to share my items, my link. Do you get it? It's going to enable me to share my link to other people so that they can drop reviews for me. So you get this link, you copy it, you send it to your past clients, to your current customers, so that they can drop review for you. Basically, they don't really need the app to drop review for you. Although if they have the app, the better it is. But when you share this link to them, if I click on this now, it's going to ask for reviews. So I can click on this, ask for reviews, and it's going to share it out. You want to share this out now. I can share to WhatsApp, to my status, to anything. I can do that. So that's how it works. Now, when people have started sharing reviews for you, it makes it easier for you to get much more referrals. It's like they are referring you to their own family and friends. If it's like me now sharing giving you reviews. If one of my cousins tends to come across your Verimerce link now or your business, they'll be able to see that I have given you a review before and you are trustworthy. So they'll have rest of mind to patronize you. You get it? So people giving you review is like them telling their family and friends that you are trustworthy. So when you do that on Verimas, that is the benefit that you get. And again, people can also search for you. Let's say I want an electrician now. Let's say I want something electric. So I have four results here. I have four results here. So if I'm wondering about this business now, what I'm just going to do is click in the middle, these three heads, click on it to see who can vouch for this business. So I'm going to click on it, get more referrals from friends and family, so I'm going to turn it on to add my contacts. So I will say allow. So these are the people that can tell me about Aziz or about this business, Aziz Electrical Engineering. These are the people. I have like 24 people. So these are these people. I know them. And if I chat with them, you see there's a chat icon, there's a call icon. I can call them, I can chat them to ask about Aziz from them, about this business from them. So with this, it's going to be very, very helpful for me when I'm looking for a vendor. So that helps. Secondly, yeah, that's it. Secondly, you can go to this person's profile as a buyer. Yeah, go to their profile, look for reviews. So, yeah, I know this person now. They said, as he did our house wiring perfectly, they have been our go-to. So, with this, I can have rest of mind that this electrical engineer is somebody that I can give contract to and is going to deliver well. And if it was a negative review, that shows that I should just run away. Do you get it? I could also click on this person's profile and chat them up. But basically, that is how it works. Thank you.